Hello guys and welcome back to yet another episode on Maxi channel, a channel in which we feature the best and the latest clips when it comes to all sorts of road encounters. This time we prepared an epic episode full of crazy encounters as well for you guys. But before we start with today's episode, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest content. With that out of the way, we can now focus on the episode. Sit back and enjoy. This biker had a nasty close call with none other than a bus. Both parties stopped at the intersection and it came to a heated argument when the biker turned around.
What the f*** are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, man?
He didn't see you. You're driving too fast, mate.
Don't blame it on me. You can't wait a minute and wait for me to come
I
past.
didn't see you. I didn't see you. You're driving too fast.
It's not me. I've got the mirror cut. I've got the footage.
As long as you're okay, it's all right.
I was doing the speed limit, brother.
Maybe my fault. I don't know. As long as I'm asking you.
All right, don't blame me, man. Bro, that was the closest call I've ever had. I don't ride like that.
Happens, mate. Happens.
Woo, sorry, brother. My heart. Oh my God.
Yeah, you survived.
Hey, I wasn't speeding.
I'm a good driver.
I believe you. Thanks for stopping, yeah? Thank you for stopping, brother. Have a good day.
This Karen got mad at the bikers for stopping on a sidewalk. Their reaction was priceless because they completely ignored her.
Heads up, that old lady over there when we came in.
What happened?
Call the cops.
What'd she say?
She's throwing her hands up like, what the? So just a heads up.
Who was it, Karen out there?
Yeah. She was like, this isn't the road. Well, these aren't cars.
Who gives a Anything police pulls up, they'll just tell us to leave, you know? Hey! I got you, bro. I got you, bro. Oh! Oh! Oh my... What? 2018?
2018? I got an R1100 RS.
Oh yeah?
I do. You gonna make me go get my bike?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, pretty nice.
Yeah, I seen you over there. I was like...
I was looking at your bike.
Yay!
I ride.
Oh, hold up.
Oh my god, you almost hit him, bro.
Right behind.
Hey, he just saved you.
You might as well let me spin it real quick. Now, he didn't just eat it on that small.
Woo! Hey, my boy, yes sir.
This is what happens when you forget to put your kickstand down before getting off your bike. All of a sudden, smoke started to gush out of the bike, and the biker pulled over to the side of the road immediately to see what was going on. Check it out. At first, it looked like the driver in front was only overtaken, but he stayed in the wrong lane far longer than needed. These bikers got pulled over by the police. Check out the unexpected turn of events here.
Aí de boa, viado. Já tomou um enquadro, rapaziada, aí, ó. Tomamos um enquadro aqui agora. Vamos parar aqui. Primeira vez que a gente tá saindo aqui, galera. Já tomou um enquadro civil.
Entra no site aqui certinho pra eu ver, irmão.
Mas esse é o site aplicativo.
O site do aplicativo. Então você entra nele, fecha e entra de novo.
Valeu, obrigado, hein. Tudo certo, hein, rapaziada. Tomar um enquadro monstro aí.
Quase, caramba!
This crazy driver forced himself in front of the biker without any regard for his safety. Biker had to sit on its sword and still managed to avoid crashing only by inches. But that's not all. This cop didn't hold back when he pulled the biker over. Straight from the get-go, he started telling what was wrong with the bike, and the list was not so short.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
It's being stopped for the illegal turn signals. Can't integrate them. You gotta be 9 inches more apart.
Oh, really?
Your tail lamp's blacked out, yeah. So
I didn't even know
license.
that. I just bought the whole kit because I might ended up crashing the bike.
Yeah, you need a license plate light, need a red reflector.
Well, I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
Bummer.
This has got more of it than yours does.
All right.
Yeah, your front turn signals are
It's in my
illegal.
pocket. Wow, I didn't even know that.
Yep. 9 inches apart. They can't be integrated to one.
Here's that and my...
Yeah, I'll let you go with a warning today, but yeah, fix those.
Okay.
A lot of things. Got to get the tail lamps. To be honest with you, there's no such thing as an approved turn signal other than stock.
All right, I'm going to turn it on real too. So it has to, no matter what, it has to be out here.
Yeah, turn signals are going to have to be DOT approved. The only ones that are approved on a motorcycle is stock.
Okay,
well, they all do.
Right. every time they, I used to ride them, so I know. So cool. Yeah, I used to ride them, and I know every one that you put on there aftermarket, none of them are DOT approved except for stock. Then you're required, you have to have a red reflector down there on the license plate light. It's not supposed to be bent, it's supposed to be on above the rear tire when they come stock. They're so sharp. I know. Yeah. Hey, have a good ride. Thank you, buddy.
Biker got pulled over for speeding. Even though he said he had his GoPro camera on the entire time and he wasn't going that fast, he didn't want to argue with the cop. In the end, he got off without a ticket.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Good. The reason I stopped you is clocked you at 82.
I had a GoPro running, it showed 60, but
I showed 82.
yeah, if it was,
it showed 82 both times.
yeah, I probably need to check my speed. I got a valid gun permit in my
Okay.
hand.
All right. You got your gun with you?
Yeah, it's in my bag.
Okay, just keep it in there.
All right.
All right, I'll be right back.
All right.
My man, I'm gonna do you a solid tonight. I'm not gonna write you a ticket.
I
I'm gonna give
appreciate
you
it.
the benefit of the doubt of that tire,
I appreciate it.
and you stopped.
All right.
That's a big thing.
I appreciate it.
I usually don't have crotch rocket stop,
Yeah.
so I usually don't even go after them.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Race to Ace. So today we have something fun going on.
Biker got pulled over by this cool cop for speeding. And I have to say that this has got to be one of the shortest pullovers ever. Watch.
Alright guys, looks like we're getting stopped for some reason.
Hey, Officer Dodson, Henderson, please stop you for doing 16 and 35.
Oh, was I?
You were. So I need driver's license and insurance for the body.
Yes, sir. Can I go ahead and step off?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, just making sure.
Backpack or on
No, sir. Oh, I do have a BB gun right here. Is that okay?
Yeah, why do you
Yeah.
keep BB?
I don't know. It's just in case. I mean, I don't like carrying real firearms.
Well, that's the same thing. I mean, as far as if you're going to display that to try to convince somebody that's causing harm to you or whatever, that's real, and they pull out a real one, then what?
Yeah, then I'm kind of screwed at that point. I'm sorry.
Just need driver's license.
Okay.
Where are you heading to now?
I was planning to go on a motorcycle ride, actually. Going to go down to Red Rock.
There. Ride safely, alright? Do the speed limit, have fun, but be safe, alright?
No way. Thank you so much. Guys, this is such a cool officer. Oh my gosh.
You're in that BB gun.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you so much.
Bikers got pulled over by the police for a checkup, and after they realized the bikers were legal and okay, they let them go. It was an intense situation, nevertheless. And with this intense police clip, we reach the end of yet another episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one as well, and perhaps learned a thing or two, mainly on how to act when getting pulled over. Remember that kindness and honesty can go a long way, maybe even more than you thought. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.